All right, here we are at learnhowtodance.com. I'm with my friend Ioana. What's up, Ioana?
What's up?
Ioana's from Romania. What part of Romania are you from?
Bucharest.
What's that?
Bucharest.
Bucharest? Okay, cool. Bucharest. All right. So we are doing Merengue basic step. Now, Merengue is by far the easiest one of the Latin dances to learn. All right. All it is just like a 1-2-1-2 step. Now that is actually the timing. We're going to go over also how to get good body movement because we don't want you going on the dance floor, just move your feet. We want you to have a good motion in your dancing. All right. So go ahead and watch us real quick in our demonstration, and then we're going to break down the whole thing for you. All right, there you go. See, really easy. So let's go over the steps, all right? First, we're going to go over the timing of merengue. Now, this is going to take about 20 seconds to go over, and then the rest of it is going to be the body motion, all right? So let's watch carefully. All merengue is, you're going to hear a very hard hits on the count. It's going to be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. For timing-wise, all you're doing is stepping on each one. So if you can walk, you can dance merengue, all right? So we're going to start on our left foot. All we're doing is 1, 2, 1, 2. So step, 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 and the whole dance is just stepping in place. So if we move to the left and we do a slow turn, we step, 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 and stop. Boom. That's it. That is merengue timing. That's pretty much it. So now let's go over the more important stuff. We're getting you to look properly on the dance floor. All right? So here's what we're doing. The biggest mistake that I see from merengue is how the weight placed on your feet. A lot of times I see this. 1, 2. So see how my feet are actually coming up on the air on the counts? We want to be dancing down to the floor. So watch my difference. Right now I'm going up in the air. Now I'm going to transfer to going down. Okay? So we want everything to be going down on the floor. So let's go ahead and show you how to do that. Let's start leg, all right? So on 1, instead of going 1, we're going to go 1. We're going to put our weight on that left leg and bend that knee, all right? So right now I can come here easily and pick that foot off the ground like this, all right? So let's try it again. We're going to bend our left knee, put all the way over it, and then go 1. Almost like you're walking downstairs. If you go downstairs, you're kind of stepping to the lower level. You're kind of going down to the floor. We want to have that same feeling. All right, so try it with us again. Here we go. And 1. Let's try see if we can do a couple things. Without moving, let's pick that right foot up in the air like that. All right, good. So that means we had our weight right. Now my torso is also over that left foot. All right, and that gives you the nice hip motion coming out. Now we're going to switch over to the right side. So watch what I do. I'm going to come up and then go 2. So now my weight is on my right foot, and I can pick. Okay, so watch me again. We're going 1 and 2. I'm not doing 1 and 2. Big difference. Okay, so try it again. Here we go. And left foot 1, right foot 2. Let's keep going. Left. And what I'm also doing, and I'm going to do a more side angle, I'm coming here where my left leg is bent, my other leg stays straight. 1 and 2. And my weight is always on the bent leg. Okay, one more time. Weight always on the bent leg. Now watch me do it wrong for a second so you can see. If I come here and I go 1 and 2, see this? This right now is me putting the weight on the straight leg. That's incorrect. All right? We want to make sure the weight is on the bent leg. 2, 1, and 2. All right, so let's go ahead and do it again. We're going to follow along with us. Here we go, slowly. 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2. 1, 2. Now let's keep the same action, and we're going to try doing some movement now, okay? We're going to forward a little bit, small steps, and 1 and 2. Notice when I step forward, the weight is still going on the bent leg. Boom, and stop. Let's try it again. Walk back to where we were. Here we go. In place, a couple steps, and 1, 2. The weight is over the bent leg, and the torso is going over that leg too, okay? Ready, walk, and left foot, right foot. Left foot, right foot. Make sure you pump your arms when you're walking, and stop right here. All right, so that was walking forward. Now, I'm going to be honest, walking backwards is going to be very difficult for a lot of people because of kind of the concept behind it, okay? Let me show you sideways so you can see it. When I'm coming here and I'm walking backwards, when I step on my left leg and I go back, once again, the weight is on the bent leg. My right leg is no weight on it. But notice when I go back, boom, once again, the weight's in the bent. So I'm going to switch, boom. Okay? So that might give some of you some trouble, but let's practice stepping backwards right here and keeping the weight on our leg that's going back. Okay? So we're not doing this. We're not going straight. That's wrong. We're going bent. Bent leg going backwards. Weight is on that bent leg. Okay? So let's try it with us. Here we go. In place first. Slowly. And 1, 2. Now let's walk forward a couple steps. And 1, 2. Stop right here. Now let's practice going backwards. We're going to do it slowly. We're going to step back on our left foot and make sure that when the leg lands, it bends. And 1. There we go. This leg is bent. Keep walking backwards now. Right leg. And right leg. In place now. 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's walk it forward. And 1, 2. Walk it backwards. And bend leg. Bend, bend, and stop. All right, so go ahead and practice that a lot. Okay, if you're having trouble with the walking backwards, don't worry. It takes a lot of people quite a bit of time to get that walking back motion. Okay, we're going to try 2 more things now. We're going to try doing side to side, and we're going to go walking in circles. Okay, the main thing is that we want to make sure we're still doing that motion. The whole dance for merengue is down to the floor and not coming up. All right, so let's do it again. Here we go. Okay, in place. And 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's try moving to the left now. Bent, boom, boom, good. 1, 2, and stop right here. Okay, now when you walk left to right, there's one thing very significant about your together step. So watch me real quick. Okay, when we walk to the left and we go 1, a lot of people get that step pretty easily because you're actually opening up your feet and it's going to help you do that step. But watch when I bring my second leg in. It's a together step, and when I do together, okay, we want to have the weight on that bent leg, and notice there's no weight here. Okay, so let's practice going bend with the left leg. When you bring this foot together, still transfer your weight back into your right leg. We're not in the center of it. The weight's over even though the feet are together. All right, so let's do it together. In place, and 1, 2, now walk to the left. Keep the weight on the bent leg. There we go. One more time, and stop right here. Good. Now we're going to do a step to the right. So let's do an in place step first with the left leg. Left, now let's move to the right now. Same thing. Bent, bent. Weight is always transferring onto the bent leg. And now without moving, you should be able to pick this right leg off the ground. Here we go. Good. All right, so that means you did it right. If you were like this and you had to push yourself over, that means your weight is incorrect. All right, so let's go ahead and try doing forward, back, side to side, and then we're going to add our circle. Okay? Follow along with us. Here we go. In place. And 1, 2, now walk it. And 1, 2, now walk it backwards. And 1, 2, let's go to the left. 1, 2, in place first. Okay, now to the right. Here we go. And good. Keep going and stop right here. Okay? Keep working on that motion. All right, so the last thing that's going to happen is this walk in a circle. This is mostly for ladies when they do their turns. When you walk in a circle, ladies, okay, keep that motion going around even though you're walking in a circle. You don't want to kind of come out of the motion and do regular steps. Okay, so let's do it with me. In place first, and 1, 2, and we're going to walk in a circle starting with our left leg. Here we go. Keep that motion. Now, let's do it real slow now, but there's another lesson that we go over merengue turn timing that we're going to go over how fast we should be moving. All right? One more time to the left. Go. Keep knee bent. Let's work on getting a torso over that bent leg. All right? All right, now we're going to rotate to the right now. Here we go. And right, left, right, left. Keep working on scissoring those feet when one is bent, the other one's straight. All right, whole thing together now. Walk it forward. Here we go. Forward step. Good. Now let's walk it backwards. Back step. Good. Let's do it to the left. Boom. Good. In place first. Now to the right. Right. Good. All right, let's do a circle to the left now. Keep going. Nice and slow. Follow along with us. Now to the right. Here we go. Boom. Keep going. And stop right here. Excellent. Good job, Iwana. Okay, so that was your merengue basic motion. Now, once again, merengue is very easy. The timing is just step, 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 step. On 1, 2, we worked a lot on making sure your body is moving correctly. So keep working on those exercises to get good motion, and then it will make you look a lot better on the dance floor. All right, guys, thanks a lot, and we will see you next time.